Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy AMAR here. So today we're doing another informative video, how to put a 2018 Camaro into TPMS Reset procedure. I repeat, how to put this vehicle in learning mode to reset the tire pressures. Let's get started. Alright, so if you got us, this is an RS Camaro 2018, it's got this type of key. If you got this key, let's get it on. So you have to do it when it's running. It will not work when the vehicle is in accessory mode or off. Start the vehicle. Okay, let it power up, let it go through the system there. Okay guys, this is your controls here right here, alright? Left is gonna open up the left side of the gauges information, right is gonna open the right side. So the tire pressure on the right. We're gonna kick over here. So oil life. First I dismiss this. So once we go over to the right, it now goes in this menu. So now we're gonna scroll down. So there's tire pressure right there. Now this is pretty much similar to all GM vehicles of this category and interface. Hold down select or the check mark button on other vehicles. Keep it held. It's in tire learning mode. So right now you have 2 minutes to relearn all the tire pressure sensors. So what you got to go now is you got to get your TPMS Reset tool, go to each tire starting from the driver's front, going clockwise all the way again. On the last wheel it's going to beep once and it's going to tell you tire learning active. But right now, since it's already programmed, we're going to dismiss it. The tire pressure is already set. So like I said, hold down select. We can press it again. You have to go into it again, guys. Bear with me. Push down select. Keep it held. It's not working this time because we've already put it in relearn procedure and we undid it and we had to turn it on again. So the same applies. You have to turn it off and turn it on back again. Repeat the same procedure and you'll put this into learning mode. And for all their GM vehicles, go to the onboard menu with the controls. It'll have select or check mark. You'll be good to go. Thanks for watching us. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. Time to take this for a nice vehicle for a nice ride. See you in the next video.